Hello everyone, welcome to Aerilab. This video will teach you how to use the Inspiration tool to generate concept images. Select the Inspiration tool. Image orientation and aspect ratio can be adjusted freely. If you do not have prompt, you can leave it blank. Because we have preset templates, choose the Education Organic Style template. Here you can adjust image style, camera angle, and atmosphere. You can choose 1 to 4 images. Click Generate, and after a short wait, your images will be generated. If you have reference images, you can also generate images in a similar style. Drag your reference image into the prompt box. The AI will convert the reference information into prompts and upload the reference image as style reference. Match it with a related template. If you are not satisfied with the AI-generated prompts or template, you can adjust them manually. Aspect ratio similar to your reference. Click Generate, and after a short wait you will get images similar to your reference. When you need to generate more creative images, if there is no matching template, you can turn the template off and input prompts directly. Because we are generating non-architectural images, I will choose the more creative Midjourney model. Click Generate, and after a short wait your images will appear.